In 1773, a pope did something almost no pope has done before or since. He abolished an entire religious order with the stroke of a pen. 41 years later, another pope brought it back. The Jesuits were founded in 1540 by Ignatius of Loyola, approved by Pope Paul III. Within 2 centuries, they ran schools and missions across Africa, Asia, and the Americas. They became confessors to kings and tutors to princes, and ran universities across Europe. Along the way, they made enemies of monarchs who resented their independent power. Starting in 1759, Portugal expelled every Jesuit from its territory. France followed in 1764. Spain and its colonies followed in 1767. Each crown accused the order of political conspiracy. Catholic monarchies across Europe pressured Rome for years, some threatening to break away. In 1773, Pope Clement XIV gave in, suppressing the Jesuits worldwide. Jesuit priests were ordered to become ordinary parish clergy or join other orders. The order that had shaped Catholic education across 3 continents legally ceased to exist. The one place Jesuits kept working openly was Russia, where Catherine the Great never published the decree. War reshuffled Europe, and Napoleon occupied Rome, taking Pope Pius VII prisoner. The Pope had seen firsthand what happens when raw power tries to dictate to the Church. In 1814, Pius VII formally restored the Society of Jesus everywhere. Former Jesuits, many of them now old men, rejoined an order they had lost 41 years before. Today, the Jesuits are the Church's largest religious order, once dissolved by a pope. Rome doesn't only referee fights that start inside the Church. Sometimes the fight comes from outside, aimed at Rome itself, and even a pope can lose for a while.